All-Star Champions League, Sapak Takraw Advanced and Reinforced Conference, game number 9, which will be played on Court A. Presenting to you the athletes and officials on Court A. Start with the NCF Tigers, represented by player jersey number 10, Chambernal Pontigon, jersey number 7, RJ Royal, jersey number 5, Ezer Terobias, jersey number 11, James Ebianaspe, jersey number 1, Jordan Villones, jersey number 13, Robert Jasper Hipolito, jersey number 12, John Mark Gonzalez, jersey number 2, Jericho Pelesha, jersey number 4, Errol Dolor Jr., jersey number 8, John Denver Sese, jersey number 9, Raymar Cordova, jersey number 6, Jake Depositario, coach, Mr. John Leonard Carino. Presenting to you the athletes of CBSUA Calabanga, represented by John Christian Montañez, Jonathan Angeles, John Caspar Bouvier, Emmanuel Fermanes, J. Mark de la Trinidad, Francis Morena, Jumel Betito, John Ray Pasibe, John Paul Cleofas, and Jose Balobalo. Team coach and sports coordinator, Mom Arlene J. Lagunoy. Presenting to you our technical officials for this match. Official referee, Mr. Ronald C. Enciso, international referee. Referee number 1, Rafael Belgica, national referee. Assistant match referee, Elizera Pai Jr., national referee. Line referee number 1, Timmy Orpiana, national referee candidate. And line referee number 2, Alvin Sumil, national referee candidate. Players, coaches, officials, shake hands and good luck. This is your Bicol All-Star Champions League, game number 9. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Bicol All-Star Champions League, game number 10, which will be played.
Hello.
Jersey number 7, Jerome Bonino. Jersey number 5, Dexter Biller. Jersey number 2, Jenna Spaniel. Jersey number 9, Andrew Senyo. Jersey number 1, Marlon Alaska. Jersey number 6, James Lawrence Mendas. Jersey number 11, Cedric Domingo. Jersey number 4, Rodan Mandavia. Jersey number 3, John Kenneth Angenuevo.
Auto naman po kayo.
Team coach, Mr. Charmaine Ann Bongalos. Representing to you our team, Viscas Spartans. Represented by player jersey number 4, Jerome Borondo. Jersey number 5, Leandro Obama. Jersey number 7, Jero Calote. Jersey number 16, Mark Campbell. Jersey number 9, John Emilio. Jersey number 11, Brian Harvias. Jersey number 10, Archie Anaco. Jersey number 27, Lloyd Velasco. Jersey number 6, Milo Canupi. Jersey number 8, Vincent Kyle Casa. Jersey number 12, Jeremy Vegas. Jersey number 22, Racelia John. Coach, architect, Joel B. Lorena. Officials for this match, game number 10.
Hello. Mana boss? Good morning everyone. Welcome to Bicol All-Stars Champions League. Match number 9 to be played between, on my right, players from NCF Tigers. On my left, players from CBSUA Calabanga. Players in. Start of the first set to serve CBSUA Calabanga. Players ready. Love all. Point. Sensor. One. Love. Point. Players ready. 2. Love. Point. Chain service. Love. 3. Point. Second serve. Love. 4. Point. CBSUA. Last serve. Love. 5. Point. NCF. Chain service. Five. 1. Point. CBSUA. 6. 1. Point. NCF. Last serve. 6. 2. Point. NCF. Three. 6. Point. NCF. Second serve. 4. 6. Point. NCF. Last serve. 5. 6. Point. NCF. Change service. 6 all. Point. NCF. 6 7. Point. CBSUA. Last serve. Players ready. 7 all. Point. NCF. Change service. 8 7. Point. NCF. 9 7. Point. CBSUA. Last serve. 9 8. Point. CBSUA. Change service. 9 all. Point. CBSUA. Second serve. 10 9. Point. NCF. Last serve. 10 all. Point. NCF. Change service. 11 10. Point. NCF. Second serve. 12 10. Point. CBSUA. Last serve. 12 11. Point. CBSUA. Change service. 12 all. Point. CBSUA. 13 12. Point. CBSUA. Let's serve. 14 12. Point. NCF. Change service. Players ready? 13 14. NCF. Second serve. All. Out. Point. NCF. Last serve. 15-40. Point. NCF. Change service. Players ready. 14-16. Point. NCF. 14-17. Point. NCF. Last serve. 14-18. Point. CBSUA. Change service. 15-18. Point. CBSUA. Second serve. 18-16. Point. NCF. Last serve. 19-16. Point. CBSUA. Change service. Players ready. 17-19. Point. NCF. Second serve. Game point 17-20. Point. NCF. Players. Baseline. Players. Change side. Baseline. Baseline. Result of match number 9. NCF wins the first set. Scores 21-17. Players, 1 minute rest.